What's middleware in ASP, .NET middleware components that inspect, route, or modify HTTP requests or responses in a pipeline. For example, the built-in UseStaticFiles middleware serves CSS and JavaScript files before MVC routes. Static files are typically served from a fixed location, like a website's root directory. They're also cached more aggressively than other types of content because they don't change often. So it makes sense to serve them as fast as possible. By default, static file requests are handled by the first middleware in the pipeline that's capable of handling them. However, you can move this middleware component higher or lower in the pipeline by assigning it a different order value. A lower value means the component will be executed earlier. You can also add your own middleware components to the pipeline. For example, you might want to add a logging component that writes a log file every time a static file is requested. To do so, use the add_extension method and pass in the type of middleware component you want to add. This will add an instance of that component to the pipeline, and you can customize its behavior by passing in a delegate that takes a request and response objects as parameters. In the next video, we'll look at a more complex example that uses middleware to handle errors in an ASP.NET Core application.